So this is a tutorial for the replacement of a netbook screen on an Aspire 1, model number 725. This is the slightly larger screen, 11.6 inch screen. Okay, so here's my netbook. I have unplugged it. I've unplugged it and I'm going to take out the battery. The battery has a little hole here. That's the lock, the battery lock. So we need to just put something that will fit in there and slide it to the side. And that allows the battery to unlock and you can just take it out, set it aside. So I'll turn this baby over again. Okay, so you can see my tools. I've got a Phillips head screwdriver and an X-Acto knife and a little something to hold in the screws. Here's the new screen. So first off, we're going to take off the old screen. And the first thing we want to do is to take off the little bezel screw covers. In this model, they're just plastic. So I'm going to just put them aside. And below this, you can see there's two screws. You just unscrew those. And I'm just going to put that on my thingy. Same thing over this side. So I've taken the two screws off, and now I have to remove the bezel. And to be honest, for me this was the part that made me a little bit nervous, because the bezel is just plastic. So what we have to do is you have to kind of work from the inside and from the outside, just kind of unclick it. There we go. Once it gets started, it's actually not too bad. You can see I'm just kind of clicking from the inside and the outside, running my fingernail along the side here, and that helps to unclick it. And you can see it just comes off from the hinges. So now we've got the screen, and you can see this screen has got the screws on the top and on the bottom. And so I'm just going to take off all 4 screws. Put them aside. The screws are a different size than the bezel screws, so you won't get them mixed up. Alright. Okay. There we go. Alright, so the screen is now actually free. So what we have to do is we have to unstick, there's some tape right here. We're going to need to unstick that. And then I'm just going to hold on to this because I haven't put anything underneath. You can see here, this is where the video plugs in. This has tape. I just remove the tape, and then I'm just going to kind of gently pull it out, using the tape really to help me. Alright, so now we've taken off this screen. And if you're really unsure about what screen to order, there's a model number here, and then you'll know for 100% sure if it's the right model that you're ordering. Just to make sure, here's my new screen. You can see it comes with the gray anti-static film, and just double checking it's the same model number, so that's great. So now I'm going to set this on my keyboard. It's come with tape. I'm just going to open up the tape. I'm going to install the video plug. So I kind of had to fiddle a little here, but I got the video plug in, and now I'm just going to stick this down again. Remove the side pieces of tape. So now I'm going to put the screen back up with the screws. Need my little screws. And I'm going to start. I'm going to do the rest of the screws now. Okay, so I've put all the screws on. I'm going to take the protective anti-static film off, set that aside. Now I get to put the bezel back on. So it's just going to snap on. You can hear it clicking. And we'll put in the 2 bezel screws. Doing the final snaps. Alright, the screw covers. This one's going to need a little something sticky. Doesn't have any glue left on it. Alright, now we get to see if it actually works. There we go, the Acer symbol has come up, and now it's going to boot up, so we are good to go. Alright, thanks very much. That was a video tutorial for the Aspire 1 model number 725. This one happens to be 725-0691. Alright, so this is the 11.6-inch screen. Thanks.